This video is sponsored by Value Testers. Best tool company on the web, no one compares. Need new tools or upgrade? Think Value Testers. Link in description below. Morning guys, it's February 21st, 2020. This one here I got a call for airing the lines of the hydraulic heating system. It's like second floor, a lot of noise in the line, so it's been a couple of years since the lines have been purged, so it might be an issue with that. We're going for a coat today, Molly. We're on a bad hair day. We're on a bad hair day. Anyway, we'll try to get you some shots when I get there. Check the feeder, make sure the feeder's not stuck, and especially got heat, it's just kind of noisy, so typical complaint. Alright, we're gonna boil it here with a couple of zones. I don't think I've ever purged it. What I'm gonna have to do is we're gonna have to shut it off. That should shut these zones off. And we got purge valves right here. We're just gonna have to hook up the hose to those. Yo, how you doing? That seemed like that was stuck. Well, we're gonna purge them anyway. Well, the tank is way up there. It's PEX. You want to be careful you don't give it too much, because you could blow the relief. Alright, so I got it on this other one. Let's see if we can open this one. Looks a little crusty. Oh, I don't want to even open. Great. Wow, that ain't good. It's gonna break. Well, the thing is crusty. She's a crusty one, Mr. Grinch. I don't hear no air in it. Might have just been expansion on the PEX. I don't hear no air. give it some more, but I don't hear any. I don't hear any air. Alright, so I reinstated these two. I didn't hear any air in the lines. Feeder might have been stuck. She might be hearing PEX noise when it expands. It's possible.
500 feet, turn left on Captain Street. Turn left on Captain Street.